The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, western Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, until 2:30 p.m. At 12:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Guttenberg to near Council Hill to near Fulton, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Beloit, Verona, Mount Horeb, Evansville, Dodgeville, Brodhead, Mineral Point, Belleville, New Glarus, Mizumini, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Black Earth, Monticello, Albany, Footville, Newark, Barneville, Blue Mounds, and Highland. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church, Hydes Mill, the House on the Rock, and Iowa Grant School. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.